Hi people, this camera is not turned around, so is that the camera? Is that you, camera? So anyways, I am going to show around at my house, my family house, so let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. I can't forget. So, let's see. There's my stuff. There's my phone I'm holding. I already create some videos. Room. My father's room. Yeah. So what? Top is fan. That's my matter being covered. The kitchen. Yeah, the kitchen is full of food. There's the Xbox, you can see inside. That's it. That's the living room. That's the cake. It's dark. And I guess that's it. Oh yeah, my elevator is over. I'm not sure to drop this phone in there. Kill me. There. You can see? Okay, it's too bright. Whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's where I do my videos, and I'll say in the comments too. I do my videos, so that's it for today and today. Oh. So I guess this is the end. So